guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I've been seeing so many memes of tax money being catch-up money, and it's funny and whatnot, but it is true for a lot of people, and for us this year that was the case. I started looking into sinking funds, so that won't be the case for next year and the years coming. So let's just get right in, and you guys can get some ideas of what sinking funds are and which types that you might want to have that you haven't thought about before. Sinking funds are pretty much expenses you have that you don't pay monthly. These expenses might come yearly. From what I gathered, you get money for your sinking funds from every paycheck, but there are some people that, you know, live paycheck to paycheck, so that's not realistic. I started thinking, why not, with the tax money, make sinking funds for that with all that money that you're getting, so you won't need catch-up money, you know, next time. I have a list here, and then I went to Dollar Tree and bought some envelopes. Super windy outside, so I had to come inside. I'm gonna give you guys a few categories that I have just to give you guys some ideas. So we have our car registration, car maintenance, so like oil changes and tires and all that stuff that you need to do for your car. Just put money away in it. My car registration, my car maintenance. We have Christmas, we have a savings for our son, another one for his birthday, and another one for clothing and shoes. Then we have the same, so we pretty much have a little for everyone's birthday and everyone getting clothing and shoes, except for the kids. They have their own separate savings. We have home, so that's like any home renovations that you want to do for your house. We have our own savings. We have all the sports that my husband and my son do during the year. We have adventure, so any vacations that you want to go on. Gifts, this isn't for us, this is for birthday parties that you get invited to and stuff like that. Then we have all the holidays: Mother's Day, Father's Day, our anniversary, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter. It's dirt bike. We have for SoCal gas, which for us, the bill goes up so high during the winter months, so it's a good idea just to put some money away for that. Or repair Xbox Live in my editing app. So those are some ideas. You also want to have like an emergency fund, or there's something that you want to buy, make an envelope for that so you can save for it. Don't just use your tax money for this. If at some point you do get a little extra in a paycheck, or you do a side hustle, then anytime you have any extra money, go ahead and put it into these envelopes, and you yourself will thank you for sure. The other like financial advice and stuff like that, I would really recommend Dave Ramsey and Financial University. We took that course and it has helped us quite a bit. Sometimes these things really just come out of nowhere. You're so used to paying your monthly things and you're prepared for that, and then bam, oh, it's your car registration, $400, and it just hits you out of nowhere. So it's nice to pretty much save up for these things. Maybe you don't have enough to cover everything, but even if you have just a little bit to help out your future self. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped a few of you. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support.